Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, I'm going to teach you 10 powerful idioms that will help you sound more natural, confident, and fluent in English. Remember, idioms are phrases that don't always mean exactly what the words say. They have special meanings that native speakers use in daily conversations. Let's begin. 1. Burn the midnight oil. This means to work late into the night, usually to complete some task. Example: I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project before the deadline. So if you study or work very late, you're burning the midnight oil. 2. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good in the end. Example: losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it pushed me to start my own business. 3. Hit the nail on the head. This idiom is used when someone describes a situation exactly right. Example: when she said the team needs better communication, she hit the nail on the head. 4. Throw in the towel. This comes from boxing and means to quit or give up. Example: after several failed attempts, he finally threw in the towel. 5. The ball is in your court. This means it's your turn to make a decision or take action. Example: I've done my part, now the ball is in your court. 6. Cry over spilled milk. To waste time worrying about something that has already happened and cannot be changed. Example: yes, you missed the bus, but don't cry over spilled milk. Let's find another solution. 7. Bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Example: I didn't want to go to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. 8. Every cloud has a silver lining. Even in bad times, there is always something positive. Example: the lockdown was hard, but every cloud has a silver lining. I spent more time with my family. 9. Kill two birds with one stone to accomplish two tasks with a single action. Example: by cycling to work, I save money and stay healthy, killing two birds with one stone. 10. Break the ice to start a conversation in a friendly way, especially when meeting new people. Example: the teacher told a funny joke to break the ice on the first day of class. Final recap. So today you learned 10 new idioms: burn the midnight oil, a blessing in disguise, hit the nail on the head, throw in the towel, the ball is in your court, cry over spilled milk, bite the bullet, every cloud has a silver lining, kill two birds with one stone, and break the ice. Try to use these idioms in your conversations, in writing, or even while speaking with friends. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson with more English learning tips.